Hey guys, what's up? It's SerenityyDoll and I'm back today with another video for you guys. So today's video is going to be based off this look. Me personally, I like to go with a little bit more vampy, a little bit more edgy. So if this is your style and you want to do a little black with some glitter in it, I suggest you keep watching for this look. I love you guys. Sorry for being absent for a little while, but I am back and I can't wait to start out the new year right. So yeah. Also, before I go, if you guys do like my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you do like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you guys want to keep up to date with me, don't forget to click that notification bell, just so you know when I do post up new content, because it's going to be good this year and you don't want to miss it. So without further ado, let me stop talking and let's get to this look. Alright guys, so I already applied my eyebrows, as you can tell, and I did apply my moisturizer and my primer, so my skin is ready to go. We're going to go in with the Urban Decay Primer Shadow Potion. It's an eyeshadow primer. I really like this one. It's anti-aging. I feel like this one is a little bit more creamier. The other ones that I've used, they're a little bit too thick for me, and I feel like when you apply it and you try to spread it out, you have to do it quick enough or else it'll dry super quick. So I like the anti-aging because I just feel like it just blends out better. So yeah, I just kind of blend out with my pinky, and I know it looks like I'm doing it rough, but I'm doing it very gently, and I just like to bring it outward. Going in with my Morphine palette, I'm using like this tan beige, and I'm going to put this all over my eyelid and my crease, just all over. It's going to work as my base, just so that way when I do put a color in my crease, it just kind of, like holds it and blends it out, puts it all together, making it look good or whatever. And yeah, so just apply that like that, and I do it with like a kind of a fluffyish brush. So yeah, I'm going in with like this copper brown. I'm sorry, I don't know what this color is called, or some of these colors, so I apologize. I'm just pointing at the color, but it's copperish reddish brown, I want to say. And I'm just gonna blend this in my crease. This is gonna work as our like transition color, so that way when we put the black, it doesn't look so harsh and it kind of goes in a little bit more smoother. So I'm just putting that in my crease, and I'm blending this out with the Sephora crease brush. And yeah, I use a bunch of different brushes in this video, so I apologize. But yeah, going in with my NYX Jumbo pencil in the color black. I'm not too sure if it says black, but I'm just going to say black because it's black. I'm going to get this and put this all over my lid. I know it kind of looks weird and kind of looks messy. It looks like it's not coming out right, but you just get this and you just apply it all over your lid, and this is going to hold the eyeshadow we're going to put, and it's just going to make it come out way dark and intense, because we really want that like dark and intense look. So it's going to come out 10 times blacker and look really nice. Don't worry about how it's coming out right now, because we're going to blend it out and it's going to look way smoother and way more creamier. Getting this kind of like little fluffy roundish brush. I want to say it's like a round crease brush. That's what it says on the side of it. I'm just getting it and I'm just blending it out with my crease colors. So it's going to just be like smoothing, blending. And NYX Jumbo pencils are very creamy and they're really good. So it just, you have no problem smoothing out at all. So I'm just doing this in my fast mode. And just speed up just a little bit. And yeah. And then going in with the Morphine palette again and getting the blackest black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be putting this all over my lid on top of where we have the NYX, and it's just going to make it look 10 times darker and 10 times blacker. So you want it as black as you can get it, or at least I do. And yeah, you're just going to apply. Keep in mind that black eyeshadow does take a while to build up, so be very patient. And yeah. And then once you have that done, you're going to go back in with another crease brush and you're just going to blend it out. Also dipping back in the color black and just kind of, blend in and out in the crease, so that way it goes smoother with our transition color. And it just looks a little bit more, effortless and a little bit more cute. That one is really black. Yeah, my face. Cute. Okay, anyways, going in with the NYX glitter primer. I love this glitter primer, guys. It works so good. What I do is I'm just gonna get a little bit in the brush. I don't know what kind of brush this is. I want to assume it was like a lip brush, but I feel like the smaller one the better because you have more control. I apply it all over my lid, and this is gonna hold the loose pigment glitter that we're gonna apply on our eyelid. And I just kind of put this all over where I want it. And if you do need more, you can apply more. But this holds the glitter like crazy. And I believe it's only like $2-3, I think. I could be wrong. But it's super cheap for the price. And it's really good and it holds really well. Now we're going to go in with the loose pigment. On the bottle, I know you can't see it, but it says like Creations or something like that. I legit got this at like some beauty store. and it was only like $1 or something, and it gives you like this whole freaking jar. Okay, really quick, it's gonna get really messy, and it's just, do not apply any makeup like foundation before you like use this, because it's gonna get, yep, you see my face realizing that it's gonna be a fucking mess, excuse my language. That was me realizing like, oh shit, because honestly when you're applying loose pigment, it just gets everywhere. So make sure you don't have any foundation. I cannot stress that enough, because it is just gonna get all over the place. It got all over my little table I was on, and you could even see it like fall on my face. There's gonna be glitter everywhere, so make sure you are on a naked face. I cannot stress this enough, naked face. So yeah, so I'm just putting that in. And then once you apply this all over your lid, I'm just going in with like another fluffy brush, and I'm just kind of like sweeping out the loose glitters, so that way it just kind of falls off, because there's some that, you know, didn't stick, and you just kind of blend it out to make it look a little bit more smoother. And yeah, so yeah, going in with a makeup wipe, because I got glitter all over my face. You could probably see it a little bit. I just go in with these simple makeup wipes, and I just kind of clean up my mess, and I make the sides look a little bit more sharper and, you know, more nice and put together. And yeah, there you go. You know, I know I look a little red, sorry guys, I get red quick. Oh, there I go, peace, love. I am a mess. Oh god. So yeah, so anyways, once we're done with that, that is all that we're doing for the eyeshadow. We're gonna go in with the Makeup Forever HD foundation. I love this foundation. It's like my favorite foundation ever. I think my color is like Y245. I remember that crap like the back of my hand, because I use this so often. This is like my favorite foundation, and it looks very like photo finish. So yeah, and then I'm just taking my little like dupe for beauty sponges, the Real Techniques, and I'm just, you know, blending this out. I really like this one. I go back and forth with the beauty blender and this one, because it's just like I don't know, I just feel like it's the same thing, and it's really soft. So just blending that out, you know, all over. Just looks so much better with all this on. I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I really like this concealer, guys, because it is only like $2 or $3. I know that for a fact. I think it's like a $2 at Walgreens probably, but I got this at a beauty store. So yeah, I use this as a concealer. It is so freaking good. I've seen other YouTubers use it, and it's just like super cheap for the price, and it holds so good, guys. Like, this is my go-to. Like, I'm all about good makeup and inexpensive makeup as well. Just don't worry, I mean, I love my expensive makeup, but you just find some stuff that are just, you know, a little cheaper, and yeah. Blending it out with my smaller Real Techniques little mini beauty sponges. I think these come in like a 4-pack for like $5. And I just kind of blend it out with a smaller one, because it's just a little easier, you know. I'm just blending out my little war paint or whatever. But yeah, so just blend it out real good, and just, you know, want your face to be popping and highlighted or whatever. Going in with my Kat Von D baking powder. I love Kat Von D's baking powder. This is the translucent one. I think there's a color one, I'm not too sure, but I really like this one. The only complaint that I have, oh, you see, it's just the powder. The only complaint that I have about this baking powder is just the fact that like it gets everywhere. Normally baking is kind of messy, but this, like, you're gonna see, I don't know if you see it right there, but look, there's like a bunch of, like, it gets everywhere. Like, the powder just kind of flies. It gets all in my hair. It just goes everywhere. It's very, very like, I feel like it gives a lot of kickback, like you would say in an eyeshadow, but for like a baking powder. But yeah, look, coughing my lungs out. So yeah, so once you're done with that and you put that, you just time it, you know, let it set, and then you're just gonna get a big fluffy brush and blend it out, and just swipe out that little powder away. Just be very careful, because it does get really messy with this one. I like the Laura Mercier, whatever. I like that one because it doesn't get that much kickback, but this one is pretty good. Going in with my contour. Yes, queen, we're into contour now. I'm just getting my contour brush, and I'm going in with the Anastasia contour. And you guys know I use this one for every video, so I'm not even gonna go in that detail with it. But I just contour my face, and, you know, I just get it together real quick. And I know it looks funny right now, but we're gonna blend it out. I like the powder one because it's easier for me. I never use the cream one, but whatever. And I know this is not the way you're supposed to, like, you know, contour your nose, but hey, whatever. I was too lazy to do it the right way, but it works. So yeah. And just blend it out with a fluffy brush, and, you know, just get it nice and smooth to how you like it, and you're good to go with that. So yeah, and then blend. Gotta make sure you make the nose look skinny, girl. because I can't afford a nose job right now. Cannot afford it. I'm going in with my blush. I'm using the BH Cosmetics Duo Blush Powder. You guys know I love BH Cosmetics. Their blush is really good. It's very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. So just, you know, a little tap, a little there. I'm using the rose one, I believe. I like mine's a little poppy to give myself some cheese because I feel like I look pale. And then, you know, just blend that out. And then I go in with Maybelline Lash Sensational. This is my favorite mascara. I've been using it for about like 2-3 years already, I want to say. I feel like if it's been out that long, I think it has, probably longer. But I've been using it for a while, and this is my go-to. It's inexpensive, and I like this one. It makes my eyelashes look longer, and it's just really good. It doesn't smudge or anything, and, you know, just gives it that definition and that length for me personally. And yeah, I don't know if you guys know any other good ones, but let me know if you do. But I really like this one. I recommend it a lot. And it's very buildable. So I like this one. Now going in with my Bad and Bruja eyelashes. I really like these lashes. They're super cute. Oh, really quick, I just want to show you what my freaking dog did. So she got a hold of my Duo eyelash glue that I love, the little stick, and she bit the hell out of it. She didn't get any in her mouth, thank goodness. But, you know, I just want to show you what happens in my life. She chewed the freak out of it. But thank God it still works, so we're good. But anyways, I'm just gonna put these lashes on. I believe they are in the style Chingona or something like that. I'm not too sure. But I recently just found them on Instagram, and their eyelash brand is super good. Bad and Bruja lashes. Get your guys some because it's cute or whatever, and I like them, and they're very affordable. So going in with my highlighter, we're using the famous Becca Champagne Pop, and we're just gonna put this all over, you know, our highlight cheekbones. And, you know, I'm just gonna glow like a disco ball. I'm gonna put this on my nose. I'm gonna put it on my lip. I'm gonna put it on my butt. I'm gonna put it on my arm. No, I'm just kidding, guys. But I'm gonna put it everywhere. So just wanna shine. I like to like put it on my nose, make it a little shine, make it a little thinner, hopefully, and you know, just put it on my chin. Don't forget your little Cupid's bow. I think that's what it's called. And yeah, you know, glow. And then, oh, don't forget your eyebrow bone, girl. You gotta put that highlight on your eyebrow bone. You gotta make sure it shines with that eyeshadow. You gotta just make it look real cute or whatever. I watch way too much Batman Walk, guys. I need to stop. So yeah, so once that's done, oh, I need a lip, girl. I need a lip. I almost forgot what I was gonna do in this part right here, but I do need a lip. We're using the Lime Crime. This is my first time buying their lip color. I've never really ever bought these ones before. I like it. They're not bad. They're okay. I believe this one's like a deep dark red. I honestly forgot the color. I'll link it all down below. I would go and grab it right now, but it's really far from me, so I'm not gonna go grab that. But I just like any like dark red lip is good. You can use it for MAC, whatever you want. I got the pencil, the matte lip, and then like a gloss with this, and I liked it. It was kind of just like a really deep blood red with like hints of purple in it, I want to say, and I liked it. It was really cute. Lasted okay. Didn't last crazy long, but it lasted all right. Like I said, it's my first time trying it, so yeah. And they're also animal cruelty free, vegan, I believe. And yeah. And then this is a cherry. It's like a wild cherry gloss, I want to say. This, I'm not gonna lie, this one does smell okay, but it does kind of smell weird. It was really sweet, and I think I just wasn't used to it. But it smells good though. You just gotta get used to it. And then yeah. And you know, once you're done, this is me trying to be cute. And yeah, you know, just finished it up, go brushed it off. It looks very clean and effortless. Also, I forgot one more thing. If you want to vamp it up a little bit, you just throw some contacts on, and boom, voila, my eyes change colors like the mood. There we go. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of my video, and I hope this, you know, you guys like this and this give you a little help. Like I said, if you guys do like this video, subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, bye boos. Mwah.